Welcome everyone, I am Tock Custom, and I wanted to do a little unboxing video of a thread tower spinner I just ordered from Gutermann thread, and I've never seen anything like this, so I wanted to show you guys how it looks. Alright, so this is the unit, and it's called the Gutermann Sewing Room Thread Organizer. So this unit comes with 80 slots, one for every color of their 100-meter Topstitch thread. Now each slot comes with one of each color of thread, but you can fit 3 spools in each slot. Now because I can fit 3 spools in each slot here, I've got a bunch of my own thread because I buy a lot of this thread already, so I can just look up the color code on one of my own spools, and this is 618 blue, so I can just put that right in there and put all of my threads away. This is 619, so that goes there, which is really nice that I've got a place to organize all of my threads here. Now this unit is 7 by 7 inches wide at the base, and it's 21 inches tall, so it should fit pretty much anywhere that I need it to in my workshop, which I'm really excited about. Now if you're anything like me, you might have a big pile of Topstitch thread just like this, so I'm going to take a moment to quickly organize all this in this new tower and see how it all goes. So I want to see how much of my thread this can hold, so I'm going to go through real quick and put everything where it is supposed to go. So after loading up this tower, I just had a few extra colors because I had a ton of it, but that's fine because I've got plenty of thread in here that's going to last me for a long time. So something I just thought of that happens to me pretty often is if I'm in the middle of a project and I run out of like orange top thread or something like that, and I go to the store to buy more, sometimes I'll forget what color. I can just look if this is empty and say, oh, this is shade 470, so I know exactly what I need when I need more. Now I want to find a spot for this tower. I do have a designated top stitching machine in my workshop, so I want this close by to where I can just sit there and keep everything organized. So I'm going to clear some space and we're going to put this somewhere. Now for my standard setup in my workshop, I've got my basic construction machine, my top stitching station, my serger, and my embroidery machine. So I want to find a way where I can just kind of slightly rearrange this workshop to where this is going to accommodate this new tower. So I'm thinking something like this should be perfect because I've got access to everything that I need and all of my top stitching threads are here. Alright, so far this seems like a great setup. So say I'm doing a red top stitch and I need to switch to a different color, which I do pretty often. I can just put my red away and then pull out some gold or something like that, pop that in my machine, and I am good to go. So as I'm looking at this tower, I'm realizing this is solving a problem that I didn't even know I had, and I'm very excited about the convenience of having this tower right here at my top stitching machine while I'm working on a project. That's going to do it for our unboxing and demo of this thread tower. I'm very excited that I have this. In fact, you'll probably see this in a lot of my future videos. If you're interested in this thread tower, you'll find it at seewhatmaterializes.com. You're also going to find a lot of other products from Gutermann, YKK, Maxi-Lock, and Robinson Anton. I use all of those products and I highly recommend them. So in honor of all of this top stitch thread, I think my next video is going to be all about top stitching and finishing seams. So if that's new to you, make sure you check that out. If you have any questions about this tower or any other videos you'd like to see, please let me know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for all your support, and we'll see you in the next video.